Jean Cassapian, société Speed France.
I'm Jean
Nous sommes
Cassapian.
fabricants de
I
fibres
work for Speed
débroussailleuses,
France,
de monofilament.
and we manufacture single filament grass trimmer line. We employ 90 people in the Rhône region in France, and we produce 2,200 tons of polyamide line every year. We are located in the US and in South Africa, and just recently we also opened up in Morocco. We intend to develop our business internationally.
Tous nos produits. Pour sa
Why did we
simplicité
acquire
d'utilisation,
Hortense? Well, basically for its user-friendliness. All of the functions we needed were actually already included in the package. We didn't have to develop things that already exist. It also made it possible for us to get a project up and running very quickly from a planning point of view.
intégré.
First of all, this enabled us to centralize all of the data in a single machine. Now the data was available not to just a few users. The data could be available through federation to all of the people that needed to have it. That was the first benefit. And the second benefit was that we were also able to minimize our semi-finished intermediate products. In addition to that, we were able to optimize our initial production launches. This is how we were able to reduce our waste level by fully 30%.